Okay, let's take a start with Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a special cake you received from others.
Okay, my birthday falls on 24th Feb. Mostly I celebrated my birthday with my family. However, my last birthday was in Thailand. I celebrated with my friends. So it was a special birthday for me because the cake was very special and decorated with dark chocolate and roasted nut. And another part of the cake, it was the shape of the cake in the form of violin. So it surprised me. Well, although it was a good birthday for me because it was planned from my friend's sides, but I was waiting for another plan or surprise, and my friends make me shocked when they told me that it was a surprise from my fiance, and it's make me happy. Then I feel myself lucky that how lucky I am, and how I have a special person in my life. That's it.
No, carry on. Speak more.
Oh no, I can't.
Come
That's
on.
enough.
It's only 48 seconds.
I prepared
have
it
to
more than
speak for-
48 seconds, but right now,
All right.
it's
all
my
right.
all creativity, so I don't want to bombard with other words
No
and
problem,
from British
no
word.
problem.
That's it.
When you speak for speaking part 2, try to speak at ease. Don't rush. Rush, okay, all right, I'm going to talk about this and that and all that. Okay, don't rush. Just relax, calm down, speak, and look at the examiner to signal you to stop, right? When examiner says that's it, this means that's it and that's it, then you conclude your answer and finish it there. But never stop before. And if you are just speaking and the examiner says this, it doesn't mean you get up. It means you need to carry on, and they will just give you the signal for that.
Okay.
Overall, you spoke well, but just you need to speak more. And
Obviously,
speak as
inshallah,
long as examiner
inshallah,
stops you.
I will.
Inshallah. Now we have speaking part 3. What
sure.
are the differences between special food made in your country and other countries?
I'm a Pakistani. I always love to eat my country food because of the halal and haram. That's the major difference. So I don't know how they cook their meals or food. So I believe to eat my country food, and I always to love them. Whenever I travel in other countries, I always try to find the restaurants of restaurants belonging to my countries.
Okay, just link it with difference. The main difference is halal and haram
that's
food,
it.
right? And secondly, some food items are so spicy, and I don't like
No, I love
food.
spicy food. That's why I didn't mention.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you. Good job. Just listen. You just have to streamline your answers
Okay.
and patronize them according to IELTS speaking pattern.
Sure.
Otherwise, your language is good.